When you open a chart, do you see chaos or do you see opportunities? So today I will show you how to learn to spot structure while others only see noise. A well-chosen combinations of indicators will help me to lock in a profit to over $3,000. So let's go. And let's start with today's set of indicators. So first of all, is the exponential moving average with period 20, oscillator ADX with set parameters 15, and oscillator momentum with periods 20. I already conducted a detailed analysis of the market for the extreme periods, and now you can see all currency pairs with the most optimal and stable movement nature and maximum interest rates. So for the current nature of movement is suitable this set of indicators, and each transaction I'm gonna try to explain in detail so that you can learn as much useful information as possible. And I hope that by the end of this video you will have no questions at all. And we will open trades for 1 minute of expiration and also have a 1 minute time frame to analyze. And we're opening the trades at the maximum balance amount. And actually, let's start and select the first currency pair in order to open the most profitable trade. And let's see here the first position I'm gonna open to lower. I'm only interested in the structural level from which the reaction after the rebound followed the previous time. And we can see a very strong impulse going up. So there is a new local hyperwind forming. So I think that in the next minute there is potential for downward dynamics. So we're looking at the result of the first trade, guys. And the first trade is closed in plus, guys. Excellent. Well, of course, the covering candle has a very strong volatility appeared after opening that position, and it was pretty tense moment. So, but overall, we see that the backsliding is coming in, and yeah, overall, the logic of entry was absolutely correct. So let's go ahead and find the next entry point. And let's go here right on the next asset. I will open a trade against the real dynamics of the downward trend, and we'll go with the trend line. And in general, we can do this trend line, and there are touch points after which the just you can see the dynamic that went down as in the previous trade, that is strong upturn was. So I think in the next minute there may be reaction, uh, so the price may go down a little, therefore the opening of the transaction is discounted. So let's watch the result. And well, this reaction came. There was a small pullback, and the trade was fixed in plus. Well, great result. I will also bought the maximum amount of balance for the opening. So let's go ahead and select the next entry point. Well, guys, don't forget to join my Telegram group, and also don't miss the chance to get deeper knowledge in trading and learn together with others. And you know just that I regularly share articles on various trading topics, updates from the trading world, and a bit of my lifestyle too. So I'm sure that you won't get bored there. And you know, if you want to become a part of my team, I get an exclusive Traders Club where every trader receives personal trading advice and 24/7 support. So plus there is daily trading sessions with me and my team. So what should you do? To apply, just send me a private message with Rachel Club Plus, and either I or my manager will get back to you. So, guys, now let's get back to trading. Well, let's open a trade here for increase. We will focus on the moving average and also analyze a little chart. Well, here what we have. We have the formation of a local high point, and then we see the pullback with subsequent formation of low points, and we are fixing the intersection of the moving average from below to above, and accordingly after this intersection I'm opening a trade to upward direction, because this is the signal in this case, just we are also fixing the tone on oscillator volumes, so watch the result. And the trade is definitely closing plus. That's great result, guys. Just I'm going to buy the maximum amount again before the opening of position. So let's go ahead and find the next entry point. And right here we are opening the trade to rise. So against the trend dynamics, and I'm going to focus mainly on the moving line at the X, and there was a very strong impulse before that, and the price almost fell down and formed a new point, global low point, then ADX shows the overload in the trend, and it's in the range of 42 to 43%. And as you can see, this is still the maximum. So I'm going to expect a small bounce in about 1 minute. So let's look at the result. And yeah, 1 minute pullback took place, and the position was quite confident in my opinion, and I closed in positive. So let's also bet on the maximum amount of balance. Let's continue and select the next entry point. And let's go right here on the next asset. I'll open a trade for the cruise. There is a flat dynamic of movement, so I'll focus only on the moving average. And as we see after the crossing, there is a continuation of that variant of movement in which just direction the crossing occurred accordingly, and here the movement went down. So here up, here down, and they're also up after the rising pulse, and here there was an intersection from top to bottom, then an additional drop in the dynamics open a deal towards the primary intersection. So let's see the result. And the trade closing plus, guys, just great result. I think it was all clear here. So yeah, let's at this result probably complete today's trade process. Yeah. Well, this trading process turned out to be quite interesting in my opinion, and we managed to record a great profit, as you can see. So yeah, let's go to the withdrawal tab, and we're gonna withdraw to Tesla, use the T30C20, and let's get out $3,400. Insert the address of the wallet, and you need to enter the confirmation code of the authenticated Google. Then yeah, press continue, and exceed operation is successfully performed, guys. Well guys, now you know how to tell the difference between noise and real signals, and I hope you understood each of my trade, and I hope you enjoyed it in this video. And guys, if you have any questions about this video, about this tutorial, just go to the description of the video. You'll find there all the necessary links, and my Telegram group also. Just go there, text me, and I will try to take my time to everyone and help you and just find answers for your questions. So, and guys, I hope I could make this video as useful as possible. So, and you will enjoy it. So, also don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, I'm Rachel. See you.